Aircraft touchdown, the marshaller will position himself at the aircraft parking bay together with a two wingtip guideman and a chatsman. The wingtip guideman will be the eyes of the marshaller, ensuring that the wingtip of the aircraft is safe and clear from any obstruction. In an emergency situation, the wing guideman has the authority to signal or marshal to stop the aircraft. Okay, with both arms fully extended, with one pointing up, which means that this is your parking bay. Lakad pa rin. Now he's signaling the aircraft to turn right. And signaling to straight ahead. When about 15 meters away from stop bar, the aircraft is approaching very fast, he will signal the pilot to slow down. Then when 15 meters away, that's the time to signal for slowly speed indication that the aircraft nose landing gear is near to stop the bar. Finally, aircraft stop. However, another signal, they hold standby until aircraft chocks was installed. Engine off. Okay. Inserted chocks. And it's clear. Ready for servicing. Passenger ready for disembarkation. Thank you.
Alpha for takeoff, turn to a heading of 200, climb to 3000. 35 Alpha, clear for takeoff.